Ever wondered about the environmental impact of traditional composites? Well, let's take a moment to consider it. Traditional composites, such as concrete, plastics, and metals, are heavily reliant on the depletion of natural resources. This not only leads to resource scarcity, but also contributes significantly to environmental degradation. During the production process of these materials, harmful pollutants are released into our atmosphere, water, and soil. These pollutants have a detrimental impact on our environment, leading to issues like climate change, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Furthermore, a major downside of these traditional composites is that they are non-biodegradable. They persist in our environment for hundreds, if not thousands of years. This results in a massive amount of waste that's challenging to manage and has serious ecological implications. So it's clear that our reliance on traditional composites is unsustainable. But what if there was a better solution? Enter bio-based composites, our green ticket to a more sustainable future. Bio-based composites are innovative materials crafted from natural renewable resources. Unlike traditional composites, which are typically made from non-renewable materials like plastic and metal, bio-based composites draw from nature's bounty. They are made from biological materials such as wood, hemp, and even food waste. Producing these bio-based composites is a game-changer for sustainability. It's a process that typically requires less energy compared to the production of traditional composites. Imagine this. Instead of relying on processes that guzzle energy and spit out harmful emissions, we're using what's already provided to us by nature. It's like turning the recycling process on its head in a beautiful green revolution. Bio-based composites, therefore, offer a promising alternative to traditional composites. But what exactly are the benefits? The benefits of bio-based composites are vast and varied. These sustainable materials offer a multitude of environmental advantages. For starters, they significantly reduce carbon emissions. Unlike traditional composites, their production doesn't involve burning fossil fuels, which is a significant contributor to global warming. Instead, they are made from renewable resources, which absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Additionally, bio-based composites generate less waste. They are biodegradable, meaning they naturally break down over time without harming the environment. This reduces the amount of waste that ends up in our landfills and oceans. Moreover, using bio-based composites conserves our precious natural resources. By substituting traditional materials with these environmentally friendly alternatives, we reduce our reliance on non-renewable resources. But the benefits don't stop there. Bio-based composites also hold the potential for innovation and job creation in green industries, driving economic growth while promoting sustainability. In conclusion, bio-based composites not only help us protect our environment but can also drive economic growth. It's high time we embrace this sustainable solution for a greener future.